promo cards. Promo cards have been an interesting twist to the Panini and Pokemon Company for many years, and it's really just a marketing scheme, but a successful one. Promo cards are essentially a bonus set. In Fortnite, Panini or Epic Games by contract have chosen 30 different characters to fill this role of promo cards. All 30 of these characters are of epic rarity. Now, after fully digesting this video, you should be a Fortnite trading card promo specialist. It's not rocket science, but there are a little bit of oolies. And unless you've been super involved in the last 3 or 4 months, there's probably some stuff you didn't know, so I would hang around to the end. There are 4 trading card sets, Series 1, Series 2, Series 3, and Reloaded. Now, only Series 1, 2, and 3 have promo sets. Reloaded did not. Reloaded for the longest time has been neglected and discarded. But while we wait for Series 4 or some branch off by another trading card company, Reloaded has started to fill the void for many Fortnite collectors, but just foreshadowing for future videos. Promo cards started out in Series 1. There were 9 cards that you see here. They were designated as P1 through P9. And when these came out, man, it was like a fireworks show for Fortnite collectors. Now, the patterns on these cards are referred to as crystal shards, which is a Series 1 term only. The P1 through P9 only came in this design, the crystal shard pattern. They're released exclusively on Panini's website, and they were actually the longest lasting in terms of availability on the website. Now, Fortnite cards were released with no advertising from Panini, and the hype was still building at that time. But once these sold out, they were gone forever. Now, these 9 cards had some monster sales, many of them over $1,000 for an individual card. The promo sets originally sold for $60 from Panini. And now you'd be lucky to find one individual card from that promo set under $60. It pretty much would have to be mutilated. Now, the Series 1 promo set came out in June of 2019, and they stuck around for roughly 3.5 weeks before being erased from Panini's website. What Panini didn't mention was there was one more card that didn't make it to the promo set, which they dubbed an unreleased Series 1 P10 known as Dante. In this collection came 11 promo cards, Series 2 P1 through P10, and Series 1 P10 Dante, which was released on the second week of March 21. Series 2 came in Cracked Ice, and Series 1 came in Crystal Shard, and they only came in this one variation. So it would suggest that Dante was indeed printed at the same time that they were making Series 1. Up until this point, all promo cards were released in the USA variant only. With Series 3, things started to get a little bit more interesting. All the basics are the same. You have 10 characters, all of epic rarity. P1 through P10 was released in the USA variant, and they were all in Cracked Ice. This brought the total promo count to 30 possible promos to collect. Now with Series 3, these sold out in seconds. Unless you ran bots to buy the cards, there was really no chance to getting them on Panini's website. And once the bots all bought them up, they came on eBay for much higher prices, double, triple, and sometimes even quadruple. And of course, people bought them because FOMO has a terrible effect on the human psyche. But it didn't stop there.
Oh my God!
Wasn't too much longer after, maybe a few months, some additional cards surfaced. For the first time, Panini Italy threw us a curveball to shake things up. Not only did they release promo cards for the first time, they released laser promo cards. So the first time they weren't of Crystal Shard or Cracked Ice variants. Now these were sold from their website, came with a few other goodies, which I didn't mention before, but pretty much all promos come with some packs of some kind. With this addition of the laser promo cards, we were now at a possible promo collection of 40 cards. And you would think, what else could there possibly be? Well, sorry to tell you, there is more. Italy not only made a laser set, but they also freaking made Cracked Ice. I do not know why, but they do exist. And I managed to get a set here to show you guys today. here are the Italy Cracked Ice promo sets. Definitely the most money I spent on a promo set, but it was worth it in my opinion. Now, I do not have a lot of information on these. I cannot tell you the population. We have a rough estimate that there may be 30 to 50 promo sets out there that are Italian with the cracked ice variant. Time will tell with the population, but for now, it will remain a mystery. So with that, we are now at 50 possible promo cards. So just a quick recap, we got 10 USA in Season 1, 10 in Series 2, and then we have 30 in Series 3. We have the USA, and then we have 2 different Italy sets. And you gotta be asking, is there any more? Well, maybe. More to come in a future video. Subscribe, like, happy collecting.